Welcome everyone. If you want to activate Siri and you don't have a home button on your iPhone, simply press and hold the side button right here. You may also think of this as a power button until you see a little Siri bubble. Now if your iPhone does have a home button, you just press and hold the home button, do not release until you see Siri show up. So let's do this together, either press and hold side or home button. 3, 2, 1, press and hold. And you can see here on the newer software versions you see this little bubble, and on the older software versions you get this little, like waveform thingy-majiggy here. So regardless if you see the waveform or the little bubble, that means Siri was activated successfully. Now if Siri does not activate after you press and hold the side or the home button, let's open up the settings, and then we're going to find here Siri and search, select this one, and press side button or press home button for Siri will be off. Okay, so all you do is you tap on the toggle and that will turn on Siri on your device. When you turn on the toggle, it may give you another prompt here asking to enable Siri. Just enable Siri. It may also ask you to share usage data. If that's the case, that's up to you, but sharing usage data will use up your network and battery life, so just keep that in mind. And once that's on, let's do this one more time. 3, 2, 1, either press and hold home or power button, and you can see, boom, Siri has been activated successfully. So with that being said, thanks for watching, see you guys later, bye bye.